Yes, it was at NASA that they captured radio waves from the black hole and made a sound out of it. That sound from a black hole is kind of terrifying. Black holes have a lot of gravitational mass. If you get to the bottom of a black hole, you'll start stretching like the mass, but to people, you're right on the edge of the black hole. Around it, it's going to start distorting, kind of blurry, I think, but there are holes, black holes so big, much bigger than black holes, they could cover the entire solar system. Yes, that's exactly what I heard.